Hello students! Are you ready to embark on an exciting journey of chemistry? Well, get ready because starting from August 5th, 2023, ChemFun YouTube channel has something amazing in store for you. We are delighted to announce the launch of a free online coaching batches for students from 9th to 12th covering ICSE, CBSE, state boards and even CUET syllabus. Yes, you heard it right. Whether you are studying under ICSE, CBSE, state boards or preparing for the prestigious CUET entrance exam, we have got you covered. Our expert educator has meticulously designed each batch's curriculum to cater to your specific syllabus requirements. At ChemFun, we believe that quality education should be accessible to all. That's why we have assembled a team of passionate and knowledgeable educators. They have years of experience teaching chemistry and are dedicated to making complex concepts easier to understand. Our online classes are not just a one-way lecture. We encourage interaction and questions from our students. You can participate in real-time live discussions and our teachers will be more than happy to address all your doubts. We understand the importance of a well-structured syllabus for effective learning. That's why our classes are carefully planned to cover all essential topics. Whether it's organic chemistry, inorganic chemistry or physical chemistry, we have got it all. You will get to witness exciting experiments and see chemistry come to life. Free of cost. Yes, you heard it right. All these amazing benefits are entirely free of cost. We believe that education should not be limited by financial constraints. So, mark your calendars for August 5th, 2023 and join us on ChemFun YouTube channel for an unforgettable chemistry learning experience. Monday to Saturday, 8:30 p.m. Remember, education is the key to unlock your dreams. And with ChemFun, you can make your chemistry journey not just informative but also enjoyable. See you on August 5th. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Happy learning!